Hello students. So today we'll study about the brickwork in superstructure for a single room building. Okay, so in the previous class we have discussed about the brickwork in foundation and plinth. Okay, so let us see. So we have to, in this class we have to find out this quantity, means this last quantity. Already we have calculated in the previous class earthwork, cement, concrete and brickwork in foundation. So now in this class we will see the brickwork in superstructure. So let us see the figure first. So first of all, let us see the figures. We have to understand what do we mean by superstructure. So superstructure means the portion of the structure above your GL is known as superstructure. That means GL means your ground level. That means your this portion above GL. So this is known as your superstructure. So here you see the portion above GL. Okay, so that is called the superstructure. That means here you can see the wall is coming under the superstructure whose dimension is 30 centimeter width. Okay, so let us see what is the plan of the superstructure. So let us see what is the dimension of the building at superstructure level. That means above GL. So above GL you can mark here the wall is there, means which dimension is given 30 centimeters. So we have to draw the plan of the wall at superstructure level, means at 30 centimeter width. So already here is this is the plan of a 30 centimeter wall. So nothing to do extra. So we have to, in this case we have to just simply found out the center to center length and the out to out length of long wall and in to in length of short wall. So what will be my out to out length? Now your out to out length of long wall, simply our center to center length is 5.3 plus your this dimension is 0.3 by 2 and this dimension is 0.3 by 2 from the center. So 5.3 plus 0.3 by 2 plus 0.3 by 2. So it will come as 5.6 meter. So similarly into in length of your short wall equal to, means into in length of short wall means your center to center length is given 4.3. So what we have to do, we have to deduct this small portion which is nothing but also 0.3 by 2, and here from the inner side we have to deduct 0.3 by 2. So our into in length of short wall will be 4.3 minus 0.3 by 2 minus 0.3 by 2. So which will come as 4 meter. Okay. So this is all about your length, but we have to see the width. So width, what is it? 0.3, because it is at the superstructure level the dimension by the width is 0.3. Okay, so what is the height? The height is your from the ground level to your ceiling level. kahinki na, because our brickwork is continued from the ground level up to the bottom of ceiling. Okay, so above that ceiling our roof, so roof is not included in our brickwork. So brickwork in superstructure means from the GL to your bottom of the ceiling. So you have to note down this, so which is given 3.5. Okay, so width is 0.3 and your height is 3.5. So here you see your long wall is 2, length we calculate 4.6, breadth 0.3, depth is 3.5, which is up to the ceiling level. So similarly for the short wall 2, then length we calculate into in length of short wall 4, breadth 0.3 and 3.5. So multiplying your numbers with length, breadth and depth means for the long wall 2 into 5.6 into 0.3 into 3.5, so which will come as 11.76 cubic meter. Similarly for the short wall 2 into 4 into 0.3 into 3.5, so which will come as 8.40 cubic meter. Then by adding 11.76 and 8.40 will find out the total quantity. So what we found exactly, now whenever we are calculating the long wall by taking the dimensions, you mark that for the long wall the length of long wall is decreasing while the into length of short wall is increasing. That principle we have studied in the when we have studied long wall and short wall method. Okay, so this is all about your estimate of the single room building having the 4 items. Okay, so thank you.